Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I'm Rose.
And I'm Sam. Hit subscribe and leave a comment. We read them all.
Today, hotels. How to check in, how to ask for help, how to solve problems.
In English without stress.
Sam, you travel a lot, right?
I do. Too much sometimes.
Ever had a disaster at a hotel?
Oh yes, multiple disasters. Want to hear?
Definitely. But first, let's imagine you just arrived at a hotel, tired from traveling. You walk to the front desk. What do you say?
Simple. Hello, I have a reservation.
Perfect. Say it with us, everyone. I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
A reservation is when you have booked in advance. The hotel is expecting you.
What if I didn't book? Just walked in.
Then you say, do you have any rooms available?
Available means free, ready to use.
Right. Repeat it. Do you have any rooms available?
Do you have any rooms available?
Good. Now the receptionist asks your name. Can I have your name, please?
You answer. Full name. My name is Sam Johnson.
Then they want ID, usually a passport. Can I see your passport?
You hand it over. Say, here you go.
They'll ask for payment. Credit card. Can I have a card for payment?
Give them your card. Yes, here.
That's it. Simple check-in. Now, Sam, tell me your disaster story.
Okay. Last year, Barcelona. Beautiful city.
Love Barcelona.
Me too. So I checked in. Everything seemed normal. The receptionist was nice, gave me a key card, room 305, third floor.
Okay.
I took the elevator, found the room, opened the door, and inside,
What?
a man, middle-aged, on the bed, watching TV, in his underwear.
No.
Yes! We both screamed. He screamed. I screamed. Very loud.
What did you do?
Slammed the door, ran to the reception, heart racing, face red.
What did they say?
The receptionist turned pale. She said, I'm so sorry. Wrong room. That's occupied.
Occupied means someone's there.
Yes, big mistake. She gave me a different room, said, this one is definitely empty.
Was it empty?
It was. Thank goodness. But I'll never forget that man. Sitting there, in his underwear, frozen, staring at me.
Traumatic.
Very traumatic.
But good lesson. Hotels make mistakes, even nice ones. You need to know how to communicate when problems happen.
Exactly. So let's talk about problems. Air conditioning doesn't work. You call reception. What do you say?
Hello, I'm in room 305. The air conditioning isn't working.
Simple, clear, polite. Or, the TV isn't working.
No hot water.
There's no hot water.
The room is too noisy. My room is very noisy. Can I change rooms?
They usually say, I'm sorry, I'll send someone right away. Or, would you like to change rooms?
You can say yes or no. Your choice. Sam, your turn. Worst hotel experience. Go.
All right, London. 3 years ago. The hotel looked great online. Nice photos, good reviews.
But
Reality was different. The room was tiny, smaller than my closet.
that's small?
That's small. The bed was hard, like sleeping on wood. And the window faced a brick wall. Just bricks. No view.
Depressing.
Very depressing. But the worst part, the noise. Cars, sirens, people shouting. All night. Couldn't sleep.
Did you complain? Next morning, I went to the reception. I said, I'm not happy with my room. It's very noisy and small.
Good phrase. I'm not happy with my room. Everyone, say it. I'm not happy with my room.
I'm not happy with my room.
What did they do?
She was nice, said, I understand. We're fully booked. I can't move you, but I can give you a discount.
Did you accept?
Had to. Only staying 2 nights. A discount was better than nothing.
At least they tried to help.
True. They were polite. That matters.
It does. Now, let's discuss some useful things. Services you might need.
Extra towels. Can I have extra towels, please?
Extra pillows. Can I have extra pillows?
Restaurant recommendation. Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Taxi help. Can you call a taxi for me?
These are simple requests. Hotels expect them.
Another important question. What time is breakfast?
They'll say something like, breakfast is 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant downstairs.
You might also need to store luggage after checkout before your flight.
You ask, can I leave my bags here until this evening?
Usually, they say yes. They have a storage room.
Now, checkout. The final step. You go to the reception, say, I'd like to check out, please.
They ask for your room number. What room?
You tell them, room 305.
They prepare your bill. The bill is what you pay. Room cost, any extras?
They say, your total is 200 euros. How would you like to pay?
You answer, credit card, please.
They process payment, give you a receipt. Keep the receipt. Important.
Then return the key card. Some hotels want it back, some don't care.
Done. You're free.
But wait, before leaving, check the room carefully. Make sure you didn't forget anything.
Good advice. I once left my phone charger.
Did you get it back?
No. Gone forever.
Always check. Under the bed, in the bathroom, in drawers.
Let's practice checkout together. I'll be the receptionist. You're the guest.
Okay.
Good morning. Checking out today?
Yes, please. Room 412.
Thank you. Did you use the minibar?
No, nothing extra.
Your total is 180 pounds. Card or cash?
Card, please.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you. Goodbye.
See? Natural conversation, not complicated.
Just simple phrases, clear communication.
Before we finish, one more story. My best hotel experience.
Tell us.
Tokyo. Small traditional hotel, very simple, not fancy, but the owner was incredible. Every morning she brought me fresh green tea with a small sweet, traditional Japanese sweet.
That's lovely.
We couldn't speak much. Her English was basic, my Japanese was terrible, but we communicated through smiles, through kindness. That's what made it special.
Hotels aren't just rooms. They're people.
Exactly. Human connection matters most.
Now, let's review. Just the keywords. First, reservation. When you book before. I have a reservation.
Available. Free. Ready. Do you have rooms available?
Occupied. Someone is there. That room is occupied.
Bill. What you pay. Can I see my bill?
4 simple words. Use them at any hotel.
Everyone, practice with us. Say, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
Now say, the Wi-Fi isn't working.
The Wi-Fi isn't working.
Perfect. You're ready.
Our question for you: what's your best or worst hotel story? Tell us in the comments.
We love hearing your experiences. The funny ones, the scary ones, all of them.
Remember, hotel staff want to help. Don't be afraid to speak English. They understand it's not your first language.
Just speak slowly. Be polite. Use simple words. You'll be fine.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. New videos every week.
Happy travels, everyone.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
You know what's funny? I always get nervous at hotel check-in.
Really? Even now?
Yes. Even though I've done it 100 times. I worry I'll say something wrong.
That's normal. Many people feel that way.
But the truth is, receptionists are usually very kind. They deal with international guests all day. They're used to different accents.
Exactly. They want to help you. It's their job.
Did you know some hotels have special words? Like they call guests sir or madam?
Very formal.
Yes, in fancy hotels. They might say, "Good evening, madam. How may I assist you?"
Sounds very polite.
It is, but you don't need to speak that formally. You can just be natural. Say, "Hi, I need help with something."
That's much easier.
Let me ask you something. Do you prefer big hotels or small ones?
Small ones. Definitely small ones.
Why?
Big hotels feel cold, like a factory. You're just a room number. Small hotels feel personal. The staff remembers your name.
I agree. Small hotels have more character.
What about you, big or small?
Depends on the trip. For work, big hotels are convenient. They have everything: gym, restaurant, business center. For vacation, small hotels are better. More charm, more personality.
Makes sense. Have you ever stayed in a hostel?
Once, in my 20s. Never again.
Bad experience?
Not bad, just too social. Sharing a room with 6 strangers, snoring, someone is always coming in late. No privacy.
I can imagine.
Hotels are better. Your own space, your own bathroom, peace and quiet.
Privacy is important.
Very important, especially after a long day of traveling.
Speaking of traveling, do you always book hotels in advance?
Always. I don't like surprises. I want to know where I'm staying.
Smart. Booking ahead is usually cheaper, too.
Much cheaper. And you get better rooms.
Sometimes I book last minute, if I'm spontaneous. Just find a hotel when I arrive.
That's risky.
It is, but sometimes you find great deals. Hotels have empty rooms, they lower prices.
True, but you might also find nothing. Then you're in trouble.
Also true. Balance is key.
Let me teach everyone another useful phrase. Do you have a room for tonight?
Say it with us. Do you have a room for tonight?
That's for last-minute bookings, when you didn't reserve ahead.
They might say yes. They might say, sorry, we're fully booked.
Fully booked means no empty rooms.
If they're full, ask, can you recommend another hotel nearby?
They usually help, give you names, sometimes call other hotels for you.
Hotel staff were generally helpful, in my experience.
Mine too. Even when things go wrong, they try to fix it.
That's their job. Service, customer service.
And most people in hotels are kind. They understand travel is stressful.
It really is stressful sometimes.
Long flights, jet lag, different time zones. You just want a comfortable bed.
That's all you want. A clean, quiet room, a soft bed. That's enough.
Simple things matter most.
They do. Let me tell you one more quick thing about tipping.
Oh, good topic.
In some countries, you tip hotel staff. In others, you don't.
How do you know?
Research before you go. Look online. Tipping culture in Japan or tipping in Italy.
Different everywhere.
Very different. In America, you tip almost everyone. Bellhop, housekeeping, valet.
In Japan, tipping can be offensive. They don't expect it.
Exactly. So do your research. Avoid awkward moments.
Good advice.
Another thing, always be polite, even if something goes wrong, even if you're frustrated.
Kindness gets better results.
Always. If you're rude, the staff won't want to help. If you're kind, they'll do everything they can.
That's true everywhere, not just hotels.
True, but especially in service industries.
Let's practice one more phrase. Excuse me, could you help me?
Say it. Excuse me, could you help me?
Use this for any question, any problem. Very polite, very useful.
They'll always respond positively. Of course, how can I help?
Then you explain your issue, simple words, short sentences.
Communication is easier than you think.
Much easier. Don't overthink it.
Just be yourself. Be polite. Speak clearly.
That's all you need.